Hello and welcome to the session. 7.8 Manage Continuous Organizational Improvement LO1 Understand how to create a culture of continuous improvement. What does it mean to cultivate a culture of continuous improvement? It's about making improvement an ongoing practice, not a one-off project. This video explores how organizations can embed improvement into everyday operations. Creating a culture of continuous improvement involves a shift in mindset and behavior. It encourages staff to question practices, suggest improvements, and learn from outcomes. Improvement becomes a way of working, not an isolated task. This mindset fosters adaptability and long-term performance. It transforms the organization into a learning entity. In such a culture, employees identify problems openly. Mistakes are learning opportunities, not blame points. Improvement is part of daily activities, not just management reviews. Feedback from all stakeholders drives change. This supports adaptability and quality improvement. Leadership sets the tone for improvement. Leaders must communicate shared responsibility for improvement. They should model reflective practices and support change efforts. Allocating resources and time is crucial. Without active leadership, improvement culture cannot thrive. Empowered employees are key to improvement. When ideas are valued and acted upon, engagement increases. Autonomy in work processes boosts motivation. Training in problem-solving enhances capability. Empowerment fosters ownership and accountability. Open communication is vital for improvement. Regular feedback through meetings and surveys is essential. Sharing outcomes keeps staff informed. Two-way communication encourages engagement. Feedback loops align improvements with goals. Continuous learning underpins improvement. Investing in staff development is crucial. Reflective practice and knowledge sharing are encouraged. Learning from best practices enhances confidence. This supports adaptation to new ways of working. Systems must support improvement efforts. Clear performance measures should align with goals. Time for reflection and review is important. Recognition of initiatives sustains motivation. Without supportive systems, efforts may fade. Successful organizations have features that promote improvement. Leadership commitment and employee empowerment are key. Open communication channels are essential. A learning-focused culture supports adaptation. Flexible structures facilitate change. Leadership styles impact continuous improvement. Transformational leadership inspires and motivates. Participative management involves employees in decision-making. Coaching leadership develops skills and confidence. Systems-focused management emphasizes process improvement. A learning organization adapts and improves continuously. Shared vision aligns individual learning with goals. Continuous development supports skill renewal. Knowledge sharing prevents repeated mistakes. Systems thinking addresses root causes. Openness and trust are vital for learning. Mistakes are seen as opportunities, not failures. Psychological safety encourages idea sharing. Feedback and reflection inform decisions. Leadership support legitimizes learning initiatives. Introducing change is straightforward. Embedding it is challenging. Structured, people-centered approaches are effective. Planned change provides clarity and direction. Participative change increases ownership. Communication and leadership drive sustained change. Training supports capability building for change. It reduces anxiety and builds confidence. Systems alignment ensures consistency with change objectives. Monitoring and review support continuous adjustment. These elements embed change into practice. Quality improvement enhances processes and outcomes. Continuous improvement focuses on small, regular changes. Total quality management centers quality in culture and strategy. Process-based approaches standardize best practices. Data-driven methods enable evidence-based decisions. Quality improvement prioritizes customer feedback. Understanding needs and expectations is crucial. Benchmarking exposes performance gaps. Quality assurance maintains standards. Combining approaches sustains high-quality performance. Organizations with continuous improvement share key features. Committed leadership and empowered employees are vital. Open communication and a learning culture support change. Flexible systems and data use enhance adaptability. These elements remove barriers to sustained improvement. Effective leadership styles inspire and support improvement. Transformational and participative styles engage employees. Coaching and systems-focused management develop skills. Authoritarian approaches limit creativity. Successful leaders facilitate learning and innovation. Learning organizations embed learning into daily practice. Shared vision and continuous development are key. Knowledge sharing and systems thinking drive improvement. Openness and feedback create a safe learning environment. Leadership support ensures sustained success. Embedding change requires structured and inclusive approaches. Communication and leadership are central to success. Training and system alignment reinforce new practices. Monitoring and review support continuous improvement. Together, these approaches make change sustainable. Quality improvement relies on a mix of approaches. Continuous improvement and TQM align with organizational goals. Process-based and data-driven methods enhance consistency. Customer focus ensures relevance and satisfaction. Effective quality improvement sustains high standards. In conclusion, understanding how to create a culture of continuous improvement is essential for organizational success and sustainability. This culture is built through strong leadership, employee engagement, open communication, and a commitment to learning and innovation. By encouraging feedback, recognizing improvement efforts, and supporting change, organizations can embed continuous improvement into everyday activities. Understanding these principles helps organizations improve performance, adapt to change, and achieve long-term objectives. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.